Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you some interesting American stuff.
Some very, it's very popular. We've had this one in a couple of times before in a couple of different years, and they've been very popular in the last couple of times.
They have, certainly have. We've got both medals, the gold and the silver,
Yes.
which is exciting, and particularly the 1/10s. They are very, very popular.
I was going to say, I was browsing Scottsdale's website before and I couldn't even see them up there, so I wasn't even sure if they existed, but I suspect they're not there because they've all sold out.
Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me.
So,
Because it did take a few weeks for them to come through.
got the now becoming classic cardboard monster box, but a little bit more personality with some printing on there, not just a plain old cardboard box.
And here we go, and I have a glove on standby.
Here's one we prepared earlier.
So hopefully, excuse me.
And there we go, we have the Gibraltar Justice coin. Slight update in design. So there's some little bit of texturing on the mountains there as well as the stars. And I think the Latin text was there last time. I'm going to butcher my pronoun. I'm not even going to bother trying to pronounce it.
I was going to say again.
But it means faith and justice.
Beautiful coin, the Justice coin. They do a really good job with it.
They absolutely do. We've got the Gibraltar symbol there on the back with a face value of £1. So these are coins.
They are.
Awesome.
Excellent. So that's available in the silver. And then we also have
The gold.
the gold. In fact, we have a couple of different types of gold here, I believe. Well,
Or
types of
justices.
gold, I
but
suppose. But whoops,
I'm not sure if I got that.
chuck
or
it
not.
everywhere.
That was a very dramatic explosion there. Also a mintage of 100,000 on these silver ones here. And these ones here they're about to look at are 2,000 on the 1 ounce gold.
Excuse me, the asthma's really getting hold of me now. So again, beautiful coin. I always think it looks better in the gold, which is more expensive, obviously. But an incredible design. And then on the back, you've got the £1.
I think part of that is to do with the capsules they put them in. They got that little kind of bit around the outside there, that little spacer, and yeah, really gives you a nice viewing angle on it.
It does. Now they're more 1 ounce. Whoops, here we go. I'm hoping somewhere in here we actually have here. We
Some mini
go.
1 cents. There we go.
We have the mini ones. So the 1/10s.
Now, I'm not 100% sure on the mintage of these because, like I said, I couldn't actually find them on the Scottsdale website, but I will.
Last year it was only 1,000.
Yeah, I was going to say that. I know it's normally very small, which is why they sell out so fast.
Yeah, but we'll flash it on the screen.
We will. There you go. So the 1/10 in gold, the 1 ounce in gold, and the 1 ounce in silver of the Lady Justice.
Sounds good. Grab them while you can.